Come make a coffee with me as a single mom of 5, a business owner, and a full-time worker. This is 1 a.m. and I'm making a coffee. Okay, why am I making a coffee? Because this is the time I cook, clean, and reset my house between 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. After I cook, clean, and reset my house, I could go to bed and sleep. It don't matter whether I drink coffee or not. Sometimes I be not understanding when people say they drink coffee and they can't go to bed now. Or around 5 p.m., 6 p.m., they don't want to drink coffee because they're like, oh, I can't fall asleep later on. That's why I'm not going to drink. And guess what time they're going to go to bed and sleep? Around 11. I don't know if I'm a coffee addict or not, but I could drink coffee right now and go to bed next 15 minutes. It do not matter, okay? Anyway, like my video, share it, and show me a love. Love you. Bye.